Relationship goals refers to the qualities or achievements that a couple aspires to in their relationship. These goals can vary widely from one couple to another, as each relationship is unique. Open and honest communication is a key goal in a relationship. This involves actively listening, expressing feelings, and resolving conflicts in a healthy way. Building and maintaining trust is crucial for a strong relationship. It involves being reliable, keeping promises, and being faithful. Treating each other with respect is fundamental. This includes valuing each other's opinions, boundaries, and individuality. Spending meaningful time together is a common relationship goal. This could include shared hobbies, date nights, or simply enjoying each other's company. Supporting each other's personal development and goals is a positive relationship goal. Physical and emotional intimacy are often important relationship goals. This includes maintaining a satisfying and fulfilling sex life, as well as emotional closeness. This might involve trying new activities together, go for traveling. Remember, it's important for each couple to define their own relationship goals based on their values, needs, and aspirations. Open communication about expectations and desires can help partners align their goals and work together to build a strong and fulfilling relationship.